Have you ever wondered about those little black and white squares? They seem to be everywhere today. Restaurant menus, concert tickets, back of a cereal box. They are a bridge between the physical world and the digital one. This simple grid of pixels holds a secret. For a very long time, almost no one cared. A clever invention waiting for its moment to shine. A journey from obscurity to ubiquity. An old idea finding its perfect partner in a new technology, completely changing how we interact with the world. The comeback was not planned, it was a happy accident. Nearly 2 decades of a quiet life, used in specific industries, far from the public eye. Most people wouldn't have known what it was. They certainly would not have had a way to use it. Imagine a key with no lock. The journey of the QR code begins in Japan. The year was 1994. A company named Denso Wave, a subsidiary of Toyota, faced a challenge. Their factories were complex, filled with thousands of car parts. They needed a more efficient way to track components. Traditional barcodes were too limited. They couldn't hold enough information. Workers had to scan from a specific angle. That slowed down production. Denso Wave needed something better, something faster that could keep up with industry speed. Led by engineer Masahiro Hara, the team set out to create a new kind of code. Goal: scannable at high speeds from any angle and hold far more data than a standard barcode. Then, something changed. A new device appeared in our pockets. It held the power to unlock those forgotten squares. A lesson in timing. An idea can be brilliant, but the world might not be ready. The inventor built something revolutionary, but the ecosystem didn't exist. No high-speed mobile networks. No high-resolution cameras in every hand. Instantly connecting a physical object to an online destination was science fiction. The QR code was ahead of its time. A ghost from the future. What exactly is this technology? A QR code, quick response code, a 2-dimensional barcode. 1D barcodes hold a small amount in a line. A QR stores vast amounts in a matrix of tiny squares. Website links text contact information and more read from any direction. Incredibly powerful. Its true power waited for a device to see and interpret it. Yeah. So, why did this simple grid of squares succeed where other technologies failed? The beauty of the QR code lies in its profound simplicity. It does not require any fancy or expensive hardware like NFC chips. It is fundamentally an image. This means it can be printed on almost anything, from a paper poster to a t-shirt, for practically no cost. Any modern smartphone, regardless of its price, has a camera capable of reading it. This combination of extremely low cost for the business and universal accessibility for the user created a perfect storm for widespread adoption. It is a democratic technology, open to everyone. Today the QR code has evolved far beyond a simple link to a website. We see them used in incredibly creative ways. On a restaurant menu, on a concert ticket, on a payment screen in a shop. Museums use them to provide audio guides for exhibits. Public transit systems use them for ticketing. Brands put them on product packaging to share recipes, tutorials, or information about ethical sourcing. In many parts of the world, especially in Asia, QR codes are a primary method for making mobile payments, replacing cash and credit cards for millions of people. The little square that started its life tracking car parts has become a dynamic and versatile tool for communication and commerce. The story of the QR code is a fantastic illustration of how an old idea can be reanimated by new circumstances. The original concept from 1994 was not flawed. It was just waiting for the right environment to flourish. The technology did not change, but the world around it did. The arrival of the smartphone provided the missing piece, turning a niche industrial tool into a global phenomenon. It reminds us that innovation is not always about creating something brand new from scratch. Sometimes, it is about connecting existing ideas in novel ways and recognizing the potential that lies dormant in the tools we already have. The journey from a Japanese factory to the phone in your pocket has been a long one. The next time you see a QR code on a coffee cup or a billboard, take a moment to appreciate its history. It represents a powerful lesson in patience, timing, and the unexpected ways that technology evolves. This simple grid of black and white squares is a testament to the fact that a good idea never truly dies. It just waits for its moment to connect. Now go out and scan a QR code to see where it takes you.